everyone, welcome back. This is Dr. Menka Verma and you're watching Beauty, Health and Fitness Tips channel. Guys, in this video today, I'm gonna review world's best product, world's best cream that you can use on your daily basis in morning routine and in night routine. Along with that, उसके और भी बहुत सारे benefits हैं जो मैं इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell जिससे मैं जो भी नया वीडियो डालूँ, you guys notified first and you guys see that video first. So guys, here I'm talking about the Borolin cream. You can see here. Guys, इससे पहले भी आपने Borolin cream के बारे में सुना होगा and I hope use भी किया होगा. But I'm making this video about this Borolin cream because I'm using this cream since long time and I have seen the benefits of this cream also. Guys, ये cream this is basically the night repair cream, right? But guys, इसके बहुत सारे benefits हैं. So इस video में I'm going to tell you the top 10 benefits जो हमें इस Borolin cream से मिलते हैं. सबसे पहले गाइस लेट्स सी द पैकेजिंग ऑफ दिस क्रीम. सबसे पहली बात तो गाइस इसका जो कलर है बहुत अच्छा है, लग्जरी कलर है, इसकी बॉटल बहुत अच्छी है और लेट्स सी दिस इज द क्रीम व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड गाइस. सो एंड द टेक्सचर ऑफ दिस क्रीम इज वेरी सॉफ्ट. आप इसको जहां पर भी लगाएंगे द क्रीम विल मेक द स्किन वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड सप्लाई एंड लग्जरी स्किन. गाइस सो लेट्स सी सबसे पहले गाइस इसमें एंटी फंगल एंड एंटी बैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी होती है. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जिसमें एंटी फंगल एंड बैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी होती है वो स्किन को अच्छा करने के साथ साथ it will definitely help you out to prevent the skin from any kind of fungal infection or bacterial infection. So guys, अगर आपको कहीं भी कट है या minor कट या infection है, you can easily use this cream और बहुत जल्दी आपको जो कट या infection है वो ठीक हो जाएगा. उसके साथ साथ इसमें zinc oxide है. तो zinc oxide means जहाँ पर भी minor cut, just as I already said, zinc oxide है तो वो fungal infection या bacterial infection किसी भी टाइप की जो skin infection होता है उसको क्योर करता है. Then because it's a night cream, so you can use it at night time after cleaning the face. Regularly आप जैसे the night routine अपना करते हैं for skin के लिए. So simply you can use this product, this Borolin night repair cream. You can use in your night routine to apply as you apply the regular cream. So instead of that cream, you can use it to repair your skin at the night time because night time is the time जब हमारी skin repair होती है and whenever skin repair, it will give a glow, healthy glow and youthful the look on the skin. इसके साथ साथ guys, it works very well on the dry parts like the lips. अगर आपके lips dry है, you can apply on the lips. It's very good for the elbows or the knees, right? जहाँ पर भी आपको लगता है dryness है और especially the cracked heels. बहुत सारी जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है वहाँ पर lips का dry होना और hands का dry होना या फिर cracked heels होना ये बहुत common है. तो इन सब चीज़ों के लिए, इन सब चीज़ों को prevent करने के लिए आप ये use कर सकते हैं and that is very good because इसका moisture level बहुत high है compared to the other creams, right? So you can use to prevent your body parts from getting dry. इसके साथ साथ that is very good nappy rash cream, right? बच्चों को जो rashes हो जाते हैं तो nappy rash cream, as a nappy rash cream you can use it. After that guys, this is a very good moisturizer, right? So आप जैसे I already said that you can use it in night time, so you can use it in daytime also. Simply you wash the face and apply this as a moisturizer and before moisturizer you apply basically a serum, right? इससे पहले मैंने वीडियो बनाया है that I review some serums guys, right? So please check it out my video, check it out my channel to see the video about the serum review because serum is very important before applying the moisturizer or sunscreen on the skin. So before applying this, I always suggest apply serum in morning time, then apply this as a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. After that, it is very good for sunburn. Means अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज धूप में जाते हैं and you're feeling some redness on the face because of the sunburn, so it's very good because it has a zinc oxide and zinc oxide has a healing property, right? So अगर आपको sunburn होता है, so it's very good to prevent the sunburn and the cure sunburn, right? उसके साथ साथ guys, because it has the zinc oxide, it has antifungal, anti-infection, antibacterial property, and it has a very high moisture level, so it is a very good moisturizer, right? So because it enhances the skin, it makes the skin more soft, more happy, more luxurious, and give a very good glow to your skin, right? So it acts as an anti-aging cream, it acts as an anti-wrinkle cream, it acts as a night repair cream guys. So these are the key benefits of using this cream. I hope you like this video, and guys अगर आपने पहले भी ये cream use की है so please let me know in the comment section how was your experience, और अगर आपने नहीं की है then I'm giving a link of this product in the comment section so that it's easy for you to buy. Guys, so I hope you like this video, you enjoyed this video and you love the product also guys. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for my next video, and please subscribe my channel, please like my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell जिससे मैं जो भी नया वीडियो डालूं you guys see my video first and get notified first. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video.